Hello friends, today I want to give you information on VLOOKUP feature. So VLOOKUP feature will help you to understand what are the data match you have in another file. So here I have four names. I want to compare these records with another file, that is file 2. So there are some names matching in file 2 also. So I want to compare this data with help of VLOOKUP. Then I'll put equal to VLOOKUP. I'll select the source as column A and record 2, and I'll go to table array and I'll put this complete column in this, and I'll go to the next option, that is column index number. I will put 1 and range lookup is 0. So if record is matching, I should get the result over there. The name should come over there. I'll click OK. Okay. So you see Raj, Shashi, Pawan name is available in file 2 also. So that is the reason these records have shown here. So Dinesh name is not available. That is the reason in front of Dinesh name it has come as NA. I'll go to file 2 and I'll just cross verify if Dinesh name is available in file 2. I don't see Dinesh name over here. So this is the benefit of using the VLOOKUP. So if you're doing this task manually, it would take long time and you have to put a lot of efforts. But if you know how to put VLOOKUP, it would make your life easy. And little bit more advanced option I want to show that. So assume that in file 1, let me delete this. Okay, in file 1 you have name and address. Okay, so Raj from Karnataka, Shashi from Delhi, Pawan from Maharashtra, Dinesh from Punjab. Now this time we will compare this information with file 2, and I want to get those addresses if the name is matching. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll put equal to VLOOKUP and I'll select Raj because we have only information of name. I'll select Raj and I'll go to table array. I'll go to file 1 and I'll select this entire column. So pay your attention here. This time I am selecting number 2. Two columns I am selecting because I want to compare with name and I want to get the address. Okay, here I have name and address. So that is the reason I am selecting both of these column. Complete column I have selected. I'll go to index and I'll put number 2 here. The reason why I'm putting number 2 here, because I want to get the result from number 2. Okay, because addresses are available in column 2, and I'll put 0 here and I'll click OK. Okay, if name is matching, then it will get the address. So you see Raj name is available, Pawan name is available, Shashi name is available, but Vignesh name and Prashant name is not available in file 1. So let us go back and compare and let's make sure that these records are not available. Yes. So you see Dinesh and Prashant name is not available. So this is how you can utilize this VLOOKUP feature in your day-to-day work. Thank you. Please do subscribe and like my channel.